You don't have an identity. You have a script, and you didn't write it. Everything you call you right now, the way you think, the way you decide, the way you hold yourself back, that was built piece by piece from what got approval, from what didn't cause problems. And if you're paying attention, you can feel it. Something's off. Not dramatic, just not fully you. It got built slowly from what worked, from what got approval, from what didn't cause problems. Be agreeable. Be easy to deal with. Don't say the thing that might create friction. So you adapted, and it worked. You became functional, reliable, easy to keep around, but something went with it. And you can feel that part. Not all the time, just in flashes, when things go quiet, when you're alone, when there's nothing to perform for. There's a gap there, and you don't really look at it. So instead, you try to fix things. You think, I need more discipline. I need to get clearer. I need to get my shit together. No, you don't. You need to see what you're actually operating from. Because right now, you're making decisions from something you never chose. A thought shows up. You don't question it. Why would you? It feels like you. That thought creates a feeling. That feeling doesn't feel like a feeling. It feels like reality. So you act from it. You build from it. Organize your life around it. And never go back to check where it came from. That's the loop. That's what you're inside of. And you've been calling it your personality. So when something feels off, when you hesitate or second guess, or feel like you're slightly out of position in your own life, that's not randomness. That's the script showing. Most people will hear this and move on because it's easier to tweak the surface than to look underneath. But if you feel that gap, then you already know this isn't theory. So don't try to fix anything yet. Start by seeing it. What's actually yours, what never was. If you actually want to see what's been running underneath all of this, not guess, not theorize, not work on yourself, but actually see it clearly, I put something together for that. It walks you straight through it. You can get it. The link is below. Go through it properly, or don't, and keep trying to improve something you never chose to begin with.